Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Steve and today we'll be learning 50 Swahili greeting words and phrases. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. The first word is jambo, hello. Habari, how are you? What's the news? Hujambo, are you fine? Si jambo, I'm fine. Mambo, what's up? Poa, cool, fine. Shikamo, respectful greeting to elders. Marhaba, response to shikamo. Karibu, welcome. Asante, thank you. Asante sana, thank you very much. Tafadhali, please. Pole, sorry. Hongera, congratulations. Kwaheri, goodbye. Tutaonana, see you later. Usiku mwema, good night. Habari za asubuhi, good morning. Habari za mchana, good afternoon. Habari za jioni, good evening. Umeshindaje? How was your day? Nzuri, good. Salama, peaceful, safe. Karibu tena, welcome again. Safari njema, safe journey. Lala salama, sleep peacefully. Nakupenda, I love you. Nafurahi kukuona, happy to see you. Habari yako, how are you? Mzima, are you well? Ndiyo, yes. Hapana, no. Samahani, excuse me, sorry. Basi, okay, alright. Twende, let's go. Subiri, wait. Haraka, quickly. Pole pole, slowly. Chakula chema, enjoy your meal. Afya njema, good health. Barikiwa, be blessed. Mungu akubariki, God bless you. Kwaheri ya kuonana, goodbye until we meet again. Habari gani, what's the news? Hakuna matata, no worries. Sawa, okay. Nimefurahi, I am happy. Kazi njema, good work. Ubarikiwe, be blessed. Tuonane baadaye, see you later.